Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today in this quick video, I'm happy to announce the winner of the FPV Crate subscription box / AJLRC 455A 4-in-1 ESC. In order to participate in the giveaway, all you have to do is to make sure that you are publicly subscribed to my channel and leave a single comment on the giveaway video. And in addition, as I mentioned in the giveaway video, all the participants of the AJLRC 455A 4-in-1 ESC giveaway who commented the correct answer are going to be included in this giveaway as well, because unfortunately, eventually this giveaway didn't take place since it didn't reach the target of 1000 views last month. In order to select the winner, first I'm going to randomly select a comment from the FPV Crate giveaway video, and then I'm going to randomly select a name from this list of the participants who commented the correct answer, which was 0 on the last giveaway. After selecting both names, I'm going to randomly pick one of them who is going to be the winner, who is going to get either the FPV Crate or the AJLRC 4-in-1 ESC, and the second one is going to be the runner-up, who is going to get the prize, in case the first winner is not going to claim his prize by the end of this month. Now without further ado, let's select the first participant in the giveaway. And the first participant is John Daniels, who commented, "Thanks for the giveaway, I agree with you, those crates are not worth it. I too already have too much stuff." Let's just make sure that John Daniels is publicly subscribed to my channel. And there you go, he is. So he's going to be the first one to enter the giveaway. So John, you have 50% chances of winning the prize. And the second name, using this random name picker tool, is FPV Shadow. So FPV Shadow, you also enter the giveaway. And finally, the big winner is FPV Shadow. This is FPV Shadow's YouTube channel, and as you can see, he is publicly subscribed to my channel as well. So congratulations FPV Shadow, you just won either the FPV Crate of next month or the AJLRC 4-in-1 ESC. Just pick one of them, send me an email, and I'm going to take care of the rest. John, please send me an email as well, since in case FPV Shadow is not going to claim his prize until next month, you're going to be able to pick it instead. One more thing before wrapping up this video, in case you're not familiar with my constantly updating Banggood coupon list, make sure to check it out, since recently it got a pretty big update. And please consider next time that you're making a purchase to use one of my affiliated links, as it has no cost to you and it greatly helps me to keep up my channel and bring you these kinds of giveaways. I thank you all for your continued support, and I will see you soon on my next videos. Goodbye.